Let me start by expressing my country's deep gratitude to the organizers of this forum and for the people of Phnom Penh for their hospitality. Akon Chan. I would also wish to thank the government and the civil society groups of Indonesia for giving us the privilege to be part of this event. Terima kasih. Let me continue by saying that the strength of our governments and economies, by no small measure, now depends on how we are open to innovation, how transparent we are, and how citizens are able to engage decision-making. We recognize that the changing global economy necessitates a change in the way we govern. We are now in the age of knowledge economy, where the mode of production is creating ideas, information, and knowledge that provide economic value. In this increasingly globalized realm, where trust secures business deals and diplomatic relationships between and among nations, openness, meaning by opening up our accounts, uploading public data, and engaging the public to speak and get involved, creates that enabling environment for building trust. Trust, I dare say, is the currency of the new knowledge economy. But trust, as we all know, is earned. We, in the government, should earn our people's trust, first and foremost. For we cannot negotiate with other countries in this age without the approval of our people. And we cannot steer development without grassroots ownership. This is why our government, under the leadership of President Aquino, is pursuing reforms to transform the Philippine budget process, among many reforms. With this reform agenda, we seek to achieve greater fiscal discipline, allocative efficiency, and operational efficiency. In other words, spending within our means, on the right priorities, and with measurable results. Moreover, we believe that we can only achieve these objectives of good public expenditure management if our efforts are built on strong foundations of transparency, accountability, and participation. Thus, we saw it fit to put fiscal openness at the heart of our budget reform agenda. We believe that transparency and participation should be part of the core business of any public financial management system. It is through which we place the citizens at the heart, not at the periphery of the budget process. While we're opening these spaces, we are conscious that constructive engagement won't take place without giving citizens access to information. Thus, we improve the accessibility of our budget information. Among the first reforms we introduced is to require, through a provision in the budget law, all government agencies to disclose through their websites information on their budgets, how these have been used, the programs and projects, awarded contracts, among others. We have also recently launched our open data platform that curates hundreds of public databases. We have also put up an online platform that details foreign aid we have received from the Typhoon Haiyan a year ago. And for this year's national budget, we made sure that our people can better understand where their money goes by listing every detail of the project, activities and programs of every national agency. For the first time, our budget contains not only financial information, but also performance information that citizens, through Congress or even by themselves, can use to hold agencies to account for how they fulfill their commitments in exchange for their budgets. We're committed to our endeavors for greater fiscal transparency for the long haul. We're opening our government not only because it's part of our international commitment, but more importantly because we're committed to what our people yearn for, an honest, transparent, and accountable government. We're committed to opening up the government because we know our progress rests on good governance. We firmly believe that development gravitates towards countries that hold leaders to account and demand citizens to participate. We know top-down approach to development can only go so far as communities must own their own development. And we've seen firsthand how the regime of accountability, transparency, and citizen engagement influences government priorities, changes public perception, invites traders and investors, and improves the economy. Ultimately, our reforms must lead to tangible benefits to the people. Our dream is to transform the national budget into the people's budget. We are already harvesting the benefits of many of our reforms. Poverty numbers have stopped declining after decades of going down and is beginning to see some improvement. The same for our unemployment numbers that are now picking up. Our economy is growing fast, fastest in Southeast Asia the last 2 years, and second in Asia. Now, we are more than happy to share with our neighbors and friends our experience, our continuing challenges, and our modest successes. Should you need any assistance, we would be honored to assist in this endeavor. Thank you very much for inviting us, and good afternoon.